Let me find out Lidl is competing with Aldi. If you saw my other video, I just have to say this here because I was just talking to y'all. But I was at Lidl and I was leaving and I saw the circular. Look at this. I said, oh, they over here competing with Aldi.
Maybe I heard somebody say no food stamps, no problem. Last week, this time we posted a video featuring Aldi and their Thanksgiving holiday meal deal. So many of you sent us messages letting us know that that was not the best deal on the market right now and that the best deal was coming to Lidl. Lidl just released their deal where you can get a 14-pound turkey, more than 9 sides, for less than $36. Y'all, that means you can feed a family of 10 for about $3.60, and that's just mind-blowing. Guess what, guys? Let Food Trap review it so you don't have to do it. I pulled up to see what it's all about.
Excuse me, miss. Would you happen to know, is all this in one area or are we shopping around?
We're shopping around.
Shopping around? Okay,
Yeah.
no worries.
But mostly the cut green beans.
It's all in the same area?
Mostly, you see the end caps.
The end caps.
The pumpkin spices
Is in the back?
here.
Okay.
This one is up there. The frozen turkeys all the way in the freezer.
Okay.
Now, baby, I'm not going to hold you because I was pretty impressed at how big this 14-pound turkey was. Now, friends, the items that are a part of this deal are not pre-cooked, so it requires that you do a little cooking. And yeah, it is a scavenger hunt trying to find all the items. But baby, at $3.60 per person, it's well worth it. And to those of you who want to debate Lidl's quality of food, maybe this deal just ain't for you. Like, yeah, maybe you're in a financial position where you can spend $2,000 at Whole Foods for a turkey and 9 sides. Friends, support is free. Share this video with someone who would love to save a little money this holiday season. And to those of you who don't celebrate the holidays, well, I mean, you still got to eat, don't you? Some of y'all are going to complain that this is not enough food for 10 people. Man, a 14-pound turkey is enough meat to give at least 10 people a pound each. This much food for less than $36 is unheard of.
An entire Thanksgiving dinner for $36 from Lidl. Who's doing this? Lidl is, y'all. I said $36. That's a full turkey. That ain't a turkey sandwich. You feeding up to 10 people with this, y'all. That's a whole family, and invite that cousin that you cool with and maybe an aunt and an uncle. When you do the math on this turkey, it's coming out to 25 cents a pound. What? How much is it normally? 5 pounds of potato. You see the pound of yams. You see the marshmallows so we can make them candy. Chicken broth, rolls. Do you see the green beans? 2 cans of those. Stuffing, celery, Cool Whip. What do you even use the Cool Whip for? For real though, Lidl got you covered this holiday season. Now all I gotta do is cook.
Man, let me show y'all close. I don't think y'all understand what we working with, y'all. Look at this thing. But there is one thing. To get the turkey at the deal that I got it at, you got to use the coupon in the My Lidl app. But hey, nice fair trade. A few hours and $36 later, I think I did all right. Y'all, when you see it cooked, it's almost hard to believe that this is $36 worth of food. Y'all, look at that's my first time doing a turkey. Pumpkin pie, look all right. Gravy, rolls, stuffing, mashed potato, yam, mashed potato, candy, jelly, green bean casserole, mac and cheese. Come on. God dang. Oh, I know where the whipped topping go.
And just when you thought you had enough options for affordable Thanksgiving meals, here I come, out of nowhere, with even more. So apparently Walmart heard all the hooting and hollering about the Aldi Thanksgiving meal for $40, and they said, you know what? We want a piece of the pie too. No pun intended. Go look on their app. You can go see the $40 Thanksgiving meal, their own version of it. If you see, I have the screen recording here. And just like Aldi, you don't have to stick to the items they give you. You can kind of switch it up, add a few things or take a few things off. Make it your own. Now, you do got to cook. Ain't no getting around that. And you do got to get the items yourself. But you can, like I said, go through the app or do delivery. And it looks like the Walmart deal goes until November 27th. The Aldi one goes until December 24th. So you can make that one a Christmas meal as well. And I know some people are going to say, oh, this is bad food. Oh, this is bad quality food. Hey, don't shoot the messenger. And look, the good thing about this is you don't have to eat it. I'm just giving options to the people who might need it.
And speaking of Walmart, I also want to mention here that the people are discussing the difference between the 2024 list and the 2025 list. So I also wanted to make sure that you saw that here. But yeah, there is a big difference. However, it is still an option. And we can't forget about Lidl and Aldi also making their offerings here so that you can add to that list. I know that we are trying to stay in a budget now and forever. based on the economy that we are dealing with today. We know that the grocery prices are high. So this is something that we can look into and take advantage of during this period. Buy multiples if you can. Buy multiples of these items, store them. If you are going to cook some items, freeze them if you can, and save them for later. Some people don't like leftovers, but I love me some leftovers. If you look at my other video, I think it's called Black People in Thanksgiving. It's all about the food, and it is all about the food. We ain't necessarily celebrating the narrative that they sold us back in elementary school, that the Pilgrims and Indians were sitting together and this was the first thing. The lies. We know it's the lies.
What's on the menu for Thanksgiving? I wrote everything down what we're going to eat. I'm making dressing, 2 of them. One with chicken, one with turkey. Make potato salad, pasta salad, Caesar salad, macaroni and cheese, chitlin. We having turkey leg, turkey wing, roasted turkey, deep fried turkey, smoked turkey. Then we'll move over to the ham. We having glazed ham, pineapple, sugar glazed ham, honey baked ham, air fried chicken, baked chicken, grilled chicken, depending on the weather in Georgia, roasted chicken, Parmesan chicken, lemon pepper chicken, and Alfredo chicken. Cabbages, fried cabbages, baked cabbages, pressure cooked cabbages, and air fried cabbages. We're going to the collard greens, the turnip greens, the mustard greens, the beet greens, and the radish greens. We having corn, green beans, baked beans, lima beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, black-eyed pea beans. We having devil egg, angel eggs, Jesus eggs, Mary had a little lamb eggs. Cornbread, we're going to have hot water cornbread, jiffy cornbread, muffin, sour cream cornbread, and honey cornbread. Now for dessert. We have banana pudding, apple pie, apple cake, sweet potato pie, buttermilk pie, cherry pie, pecan pie, peach pie, blueberry pie, custard pie, strawberry cake, lemon pound cake, red velvet cake with the nuts and without the nuts, key lime cake with the nuts and without the nuts, carrot cake, fruit cake, butter cake, cupcake, pineapple upside down cake, pineapple downside up cake, devil food cake, angel food cake, strawberry shortcake, and strawberry tall cake. Well, damn, who all coming? Well, it's going to be a few of us here because, the family, we don't get along like that. So everybody cooking at their own house. Who the hell can eat all that? We could be eating Thanksgiving to next Thanksgiving.
But anyway, if you still are going to get together with your family on Soul Food Day, as I'm calling it, I don't care what anybody else says because I got that long weekend. Anyway, Soul Food Day. Why does the Lidl one say $36? I think Aldi was $40. But again, the prices vary based on location and availability of those items, so on and so forth. But either way, get yourself a cheap meal if you need to. If you're on a budget, keep it budget friendly. I love Aldi. I love Lidl. Check those places out if you need to continue on with your celebration time with your family. Because if you got the time and they all have the time and everybody can be together, why not? Why not do it? And we don't even have to recognize this is Thanksgiving. But you know what I'm saying. Okay, y'all, it's my anniversary. Yeah. Today's my anniversary on YouTube. I am just so happy that I stayed. It's been a year. I got this alert this morning. It's been 1 year since I started YouTube, and right now I'm at the 4,000 mark as far as subscribers are concerned. So I really so appreciate everyone who has joined me on my journey, and I would be remiss if I did not say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's my anniversary. Yeah. I love me some Tony. Do you know what day it is? It's my anniversary. All right. Thank you so much for being here. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. All right. Bye.